Sanibonani guys, I hope you guys are okay. So, uthi ucela story time sa drive through Sasol. Yo, guys, it wasn't even a drive through, it was a drive in. It was a drive in actually, it wasn't even a drive through. So, me and my friends, we were attending a wedding because one of umngani wami lo kade ngihamba nayo Ayanda bekushadwa kubo, so besiye kulowo mshado. Trust me, the wedding was the food, people, and I love that ukuthi yabo, like I got to see the other traditional dances that I don't know. Le enye tribe le ekade ishada umfazi. Yeah. Anyways, asikho lapho. So yeah, we got to the wedding, we enjoyed the vibe, we enjoyed everything. Everything was just too nice. Like, it was too nice. Nengani behavior nanani. And emva kalapho sihambe so shooty tombe before everything else, shooty tombe. And I did not post like content eningi on my stories. I did not. Into ekade ngiyenzile mina kuphela nje ngiposte on my feed izithombe zami, and before I drove off I literally posted the pictures before I drove off. So ke sihlele emotweni play music ingane nje ithe sisasuka yathi nje ngicela ama-chips and silebe sithi okay baby sizolithola igaraji, trust me, and we're gonna buy you ama-chips lawa owafunayo wena. See, lokhunje si-drive. And then like literally sesilibuka kanje igarage ingane iphinde kokugcina ithi ngicela ama-chips. That time he's on his iPad. Ubhizi uyayibukela uKokomelon or whatever the case may be. Uyibukela uKokomelon wakhe. Singene egarage, mesingene egarage siya drive umngani wami, while we just drive into the garage, she's like, "Chomi, ungifasa uzipho ngiyacela ukuthi ungifasa uzipho." And I'm like, "Sharp, Chomi, let's just park and then I'll zip you up." Singene ngipake. Ngingayifaki imoto yami ku-park. I did not put my car on park. I had my foot on the brake. I had it there. And I was so sure that I like go right lapha, because usually I know myself, like when I park, before I put the P, I put my full brake and then I press the P. Angazi kwenzakaleni guys, I swear to God I don't know what happened. So uAyanda athi uyaphuma yabo, athi ucela ukuphuma, obviously uzophuma nanan. So I'm trying to zip her up. Literally I was trying to zip her up. Yabo, and because ingubo obviously for it ukuthi ifaseke kahle mele kube khona ibambile kanje yabo. Kungenzeki lokho still ngisazama ukuyizipha up because ubengayibambile kahle and nami bengizama nje. Ngithi ngiyazipha angazi unyawo lami lisuke nini from i-brake to i-accelerator ne. Ayanda athi I don't remember anything. Bear in mind, I don't remember anything. I just remember her face saying, "Chomi, imoto iyahamba." Because I think my car bounced. Worse, imoto. Let me tell you a fun fact about imoto China, as they say. Imoto I hambi ungalfagili bande, ngeke ihambe. Like, it won't move as a driver, not as a passenger. It could move, got to easily color a sound, a passenger. As a driver, angeki move. It won't move. Like, it's also no, ibande, please, dali. Yabole. So usually when I stop, I always just remove my belt, make sure my foot is on good brakey, and then press to park. Like, she space in between, like I do it all at once. Remove my belt, because I know it won't move without the belt. Izo bounce, bounce until uzulfagi band. Anyways, enough about that. Singene garage mesngena. So I turn, trying to zip up my friend's zip. I'm trying. And then she angimzwanga screamer. She did not scream. Into ayenzile ukuthi uthi Chomi. She uyangibiza. The first time she shouted angimzwanga, I literally did not hear her because I'm like, oh, what the fuck? Why umemeza Chomi? What's going on? Like, what is going on? What the actual fuck? Like, what's going on? Kodwa nalapho, I'm not processing it because I'm thinking how I'm always parking my car. Yobo. She's like, Chomi. The only image I remember is her face saying, Chomi, the car is moving. And usho isizongena imoto. She's like, Chomi. Qale wathi Chomi. I'm like, what's going on? I'm like, girl, I'm trying to help you out here. She's like, Chomi, the car is moving. I'm like, what do you mean? What do you mean the car is moving? And I'm still zipping her up. Useyasuka ke manje Chomi uyangithinta, like she's touching me. She's like, imoto Chomi iyamuva. I'm like, and then I panic. I don't know how my foot moved from the brake to the accelerator, because that was when everything just went dark. And manje sengiyayibona the last bounce, because garage niyazi guys, like inendawo engathi pavement where you have to like step up and then yabo must uyangena, like it's not flat yabo. So emva kalapho ke ngifike kwenzeke leyo nto leyo by the time I realize, bear in mind that I'm still thinking that unyawo lami lusa brake. So I'm trying to press the brake. I'm thinking that mhlambe ngiphakamisa unyawo kancane kwi brake, that's why kati move imoto. I'm thinking that's the case. I was thinking that's the case. Kanti unyawo lami selisukile kwi brake, selikwi accelerate. So la engithi khona ngithi ngiyapressa, ngithi ngiyabreka, kanti ngipress accelerator, yavele yangena imoto guys. Ngavele ngaparka there. Ngiyazi kuhlale kuthiwa you can't park there. Me, I parked there, and I was not worried about myself. I was worried about the people that were in the car, and I was worried about the people. I got the basic garage, and I'm thinking, what if I hurt someone? And I'm looking around now. The car is surrounded by people, and the first people that came to the car were actually such nice people, because they were all concerned. Literally everyone left their cars and they were all concerned. Ilaba baqhamuke after ke labo kade sebezele nje indaba nje kuphela yabo. But rather than that, I was just so traumatized. I was so scared. My friends were so scared. We were all scared. And even nabantu abasebenza egarage, I'm sure it was so traumatic. And I am so sorry, guys. It was so scary. Angifiseli muntu leyanto leyana, angifiseli muntu. Ngayipressa kanjalo imoto yangena kanjalo egarage, and I'm so sorry for the people in Bafagili trauma, for the people who were seeing it happening, and then for the people I got to be in the scene, and the people who were in the car, and nalabanje who were genuinely concerned, not the ones who were just trying to take videos for content so that I trend, whatever the case may be. Kobe iputa, guys. Like, I've been driving that car for almost 2 years now. I always make sure that my car is on park. I always make sure. And I'm so sorry to everyone. And mekhona nje into eyenzakalile ebhlungu ukuthi ngilimazele la garage, and I'm so sorry to the owner of that garage. It was an honest mistake, and lucky enough that owner was so nice. Like, he was so nice. He offered us water. He made sure ukuthi asitatazeli, and bekhuluma namaphoyisa, and I was also cooperating with the police. And if I was drunk, I was gonna get arrested on the scene. I was not drunk. I did get breathalyzed, and I was not drunk. Guys, it was an honest mistake. I swear to God. So, yeah, like, kungishubele kanjalo, and yeah, kusazoshuba nje futhi, like, akakapheli. I don't think isiphelile manje yonke lento.